Hello guys, welcome again to another episode. Today I'll be cooking some Parmesan chicken, some mashed potatoes and some steamed veggies on the side. This is the first time I'm cooking this meal, but you know I got good instructions from an expert, so let me show you how to cook the Parmesan chicken. For this meal guys, I have 3 chicken breasts here. But what I did is I cut them in half. I have it pre-seasoned. I got 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, that's all. And what I did, I cut them in half so it's thin. So just cut them in half so it's not too thick, you know, that's how you want them. And then I got some garlic powder. I'm gonna put some garlic powder on there with some Parmesan cheese. And then I'm gonna put it in some eggs, breadcrumbs, and fry it for a little bit. Let me get started with that right now. Just gonna put a bit of Parmesan cheese on it. This Parmesan chicken, you know. Season this up a bit, not too much, you know. Parmesan is a strong flavored cheese. Just wanna get that on there, season up. Then add some garlic powder. So for the Parmesan cheese, I think it's about a tablespoon and a half of Parmesan cheese. Garlic powder, garlic powder for flavor. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just mix these in. I'm gonna get 2 eggs ready. I'm gonna beat the eggs up, and then I'm gonna get some flour as well. Eggs with some flour already. I'm gonna leave these to soak for a little bit more. Put these aside. I'm gonna get the other stuff ready. Okay, I got all my mix ready now. I got my flour, my eggs, and my breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. I'm going to be putting some marinara sauce on it with some mozzarella cheese. But let me get to this part first. That's what I do, you know. Bread in the bread. Slightly, you know, not too thick on the bread. With the flour, I should say, sorry. Put it in the flour, you know, not too thick with it. Shake off all the excess flour when you're done that part. Nicely. Put my egg. Nice and soaking the egg. From there, let it drain off a little bit. Put it right to my breadcrumbs. I'm gonna make sure it's covered, you know. Every inch of it is covered nicely with the breadcrumbs. No exposed parts. I'm gonna just let it rest for a while on a tray, and then I'm gonna fry it up a little bit, lightly. Like that, do all of them like this, you know, make sure it's covered nicely with the breadcrumbs, and then, you know, move on to the next step. Okay, I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Got some oil here getting really hot. I'm gonna fry the meat just for a little bit, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, not too long, because it's pretty thin, and I'm gonna put it in the oven again. So, you know, you don't want it to be too dry, so you fry it for a little bit, and it's gonna bake for the rest of the way. Fry for a while, you know, get nice and golden brown. Flip it and then flip this now. About a couple minutes on this side. Flip it. On this side about the same amount of, you know, brownness, and then we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna put it directly onto my pan I'm gonna use to bake, you know, and then put the sauce on. Okay, that's it now. Yeah, just 4 minutes on each side, not too long, you know. You know, I'm gonna put marinara sauce now. Not too much, about a spoon each. Because the big pieces, you know, you could put a little bit more. Juicy, you know. Yeah, but that sauce, not too much sauce. A bit. And I'm gonna put my cheese on it, my mozzarella cheese. It's good. But you could buy slices, but I got this from the store, so I'm gonna cut some slices and put it on top. Not too thick, you know. It's a little bit thick, this one. Trim off a piece. About a slice of cheese thickness, you know. I don't want to put too much cheese. So this is a nice slice here. Better to buy the slice because it's a bit hard to, you know, get the perfect slice. Guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna check it, make sure the meat's cooked and everything. So I'm gonna make sure, you know, I'm doing it right. Once the meat's cooked nice, then I'll pop them out. Hopefully that's not too much cheese. I want one more there. Okay. And then, now I'm gonna cut this like this. Guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven now at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna check it after 30 minutes to see what it looks like. Alright, let's get that in. Okay, for the mixed veggies, I'll use the same pot there, I just washed it. For the mixed veggies, I got some sesame seed oil. I'm gonna put this a little bit. Seed oil, not too much, you know, just to get a nice color. I got some, I got broccoli, I got some red sweet peppers, green and red, and I got some carrots. That's all I'm gonna be steaming today. So the pot's already hot. I made that get hot a little bit. Let's throw them in. Let's cook for a little bit, not too long, because I like when my veggies are firm, a little bit crunchy. Let's let that burn a little bit on one side. I'm going to turn it. Rotate it until it's just before it's cooked. Then I take it off. And I add a little bit of salt and black pepper to it. Just a little bit, you know, a little flavor to it. Black pepper, color and flavor. So it burn a little bit. It's almost done, real quick. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna take it off now. It's still firm. You know, I got a little bit burnt, but you know, with the heat, it's gonna keep cooking. It's gonna get even more tender. So right now it's firm and nice the way I like it. Close to raw. Perfect for me. I'm gonna show you one of this piece here. A little bit burnt, not too much. Just shred it up. Okay, that's it. I just took it out of the oven. I'm gonna share a plate of this. You know, check it out. Make sure everything is cooked properly. Pretty sure it is. It was in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. You know, I'm gonna check the biggest one to make sure it's cooked. But it looks good. I'll make you know how it tastes. That's it, guys. You know, Parmesan chicken, steamed veggies with some mashed potatoes. Enjoy this one, yeah. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a like. You know, subscribe. Come back for more videos, guys. Thank you.